Here's a 52-inch Hunter Devon Park ceiling fan, which is a rustic fan. All rustic likes these type of fans, hence his last name. He's like it. Pretty swell. Low speed. It's snowing outside in the ski condo, which I'm gonna stay temporarily. All of us actually made a great choice, and that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You did low, now up to medium. Mediums ain't that bad on this farmhouse style ceiling fan, which actually well performanced. All the rustic looked up and there was this fan replaced a Hunter Highbury ceiling fan, Highbury 2 actually. Glad that crappy fan's gone. This is kind of a better fan. I actually kind of like the style. Probably might want to replace my Harbor Breeze Aristocrat with this fan. Pretty nice. Now let's go up to high. Farmhouse style ceiling fans are pretty unique. It's fast, it's fun, it's unique. Anyway, this fan actually ain't that bad. Probably as great as the Hunter Builder Plus is at all the Rustic's house. Possibly even more. Wow. I love this style. Ain't that bad. It's snowy outside. I'm not in Alaska right now, but it's still very cold. We're in Lake Tahoe, California. Well, time for the light to be back on.